Hi everyone, welcome back, and today's video is on the much awaited Blushboxx unboxing. I was waiting for this Blushboxx to be arrived from long, and finally it has come. And this time the difference in the Blushboxx is there are 5 categories. They have made 5 different categories. Each category has around 5 to 6 products, and you would be given a chance to choose whichever product you like. That is the best thing I liked in this month of Blushboxx, and I was eagerly waiting for it. And without wasting more time, let's quickly unbox it. Speak about the packaging and the excitement of this month's Blushboxx. I was very excited and I was waiting for it, but I was a little disappointed when I received this product. I was really very excited to receive this Blushboxx edition this month, and because I had the option where I could select each product of my own choice in each category. There were 5 categories which were given, and each category had options of 5 to 6 products, so you get a chance to choose the one which you like it. And that was I was very much I was very excited for that. And when I received the box, I was a little disappointed. Ask me why. So without wasting more time, let's quickly start. So to speak about the packaging, this is the box which I have received for the month of July, and like you can see, the packaging is not that very great. And when I received the box, this came in pressed over here, and maybe it's in the shipment which might have happened. So yeah, the packaging would if the box was more sturdy, this wouldn't have happened. I've got other subscription boxes, but I received that as is, and the quality of the cardboard which we get is not that very hard and quite good. So that's the reason this has come up in this state. So this was a little disappointing for me, but that's okay. What matters is the product, and let's quickly check out. When I open the box, the products I have received are these. The most and the biggest drawback I felt is the content. The content card. Usually I have got the Blushboxes where I get a leaflet mentioning about the product and the pricing and a small description about each product, but this time, to my surprise, there is nothing of such kind. There is no card, there is no information, nothing. So this was another disappointment factor for me in this month's Blushboxx. In this video, I shall just be unboxing the Blushboxx, and I shall show you each product in detail in another video. So watch out that as well, which would be followed of this. These products are just sent like this. So packaging, I'm really not very happy. No, this is not what I expected with the packaging and the details. And to start with unboxing it and checking out what products we have got. The first product I have got is the charcoal peel off mask from Healthwit. Activated charcoal peel off mask. It's of a 50 gram. This is both for men and women. And next product is the Humblebee salt scrub. It's a body scrub of coffee. See, Humblebee body scrub. The price of it is 599 rupees, and quantity of it is 100 gram. So yeah, this is my next product. The third product of mine is the Votray multivitamin face mask, which is of 30 grams. It's a small tiny bottle. This is the size of it, and the quantity is 30 grams. I have said you the price, it's not mentioned. The next product of mine is the lip shade. It's a liquid lipstick of 3.7 ml from Blushboxx, and the pricing of it is 599 rupees. The shade I have chosen is 04 Cinnamon. Let me show you the shade. It's a beautiful shade, very pretty color actually. It's not brown, it's not pink, it's not nude, so lovely color. And the next product of mine, which would be the last product in the box, is the mud mask. It's from Fuchsia Dare to Bear mud mask of 15 grams, I think 15 grams. Yeah, the quantity of it is 15 grams and the pricing is 150 rupees. So this is the mud mask. I don't know if these are with this, but I have got 2 sachets of jasmine bath salt and then the Fuchsia mud mask. So this one. Yeah, I'll take a leave now and I'll meet you soon with another interesting video. Take care and bye.